So you're brave enough to travel this holiday season? Well, we want to make sure that you travel right. So in this week's video, we're going to go over some top reasons why you should not check a bag during this holiday season. And if you do happen to, we got a few tips that you're going to want to hear. Cue that intro.
What's up YouTube? Trevi from the Adventure Buddies, the modern travel family, bringing you another video filled with tips, tricks, and inspiration to make sure you maximize your next family adventure, like we always do here at the Adventure Buddies.
So the first reason why you should not check a bag during this holiday season is that it's an additional cost. Holidays are already expensive, holiday travel is already expensive, and so if you can avoid it, don't spend the extra money on checking a bag. Do a carry-on instead if possible. Plus, when you do check a bag, there's no guarantee that the stuff inside isn't gonna get damaged. So the second reason why you should not check a bag during this busy holiday travel season is the lost baggage. So if you do check a bag, there is that slight risk that your bag could get lost during this holiday season, and no one wants to spend the holidays without any clothes. So our last reason why you should not check a bag during this holiday travel season is that if you do check that bag, you have to go to the ticket counter, and oftentimes, especially during the holiday season, this line is really long. Plus, once you get to your final destination, you now have to wait in another line for your bag to get to the baggage claim. So again, wasted time that you could be spending with loved ones during this holiday season. So there are reasons on why you should not check a bag during this holiday season, but if you absolutely have to, here are a couple tips to keep in mind when checking your bag. First off, make sure to tag your luggage. We recommend using something more durable than the paper one that you get at the airport. This should have your name, contact information, and or address if you want to. If you want to get a little bit more high tech, consider putting one of those air tag devices inside your luggage so you can track it to your final destination. Our second tip for checking luggage, if you have to, make sure to put in your shampoos, conditioners, or lotions inside a plastic bag. More than likely, if that thing's gonna explode, you'd rather explode inside a Ziploc bag than all over your clothes. Third thing that we feel you should do if you have to check a bag during this holiday season is make sure if you do have a layover in your travel is that you make that layover at least 2 hours long. That way that you can ensure the best chance that they don't lose your luggage. And so there you guys have it, a few tips on why we feel you should not check your bag during this holiday season. If you want more tips on how to travel efficiently, make sure you hit that red subscribe button for more holiday travel tips and adventures. And so I'm Matt from the Adventure Buddies, and remember, life's an adventure. Who are you going on with?